Action.
Hello, my friend. I'm Daily Swan. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I'm going to test a 500-gram oat powder on this vertical packing machine. The model number of this machine is ATM 320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. Why it is customized? Because it's customized with electric gas filling device. Okay, let's run this machine to show you how it works. Here is our touch screen. Let us choose English. Okay, let's start the machine. Okay, let's stop the machine. Let's check the finished bag. Here is end sealing of the bag, vertical sealing of the bag. Here is printing result. End sealing of the bag, vertical sealing of the bag, printing information. So you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.